Well, hi, Debbie.
Hi, Mom.
You going to show what you did today?
I am. So look at my spread here. And I know that this is not really part of a charcuterie board, but I got these cute little noodles. I don't know if you can see. They're supposed to be like olive branches. And I got them at this olive place.
Well, I don't know if they look exactly like an olive thing, but they look very cute.
Yeah, so I thought I'd make a nice little salad to go with
Everything else.
You have some items for sandwich making, so yeah. I thought, that's good. We can utilize that. So here we've got our matzo ball. Mozzarella balls with a little bit of tomato and basil. So there you go.
Okay.
Those are really good. And then we just have our fruit and our crackers here.
Looks pretty good.
And then of course we got to have our wine.
Ta-da!
And here is yours, Mom.
Yay!
Moscato. And then mine is the Alces, and that is from Germany.
Oh, this came from Germany.
Yeah, this one's from Germany. Both of these are German wines.
Oh, okay. See, I'm learning something every day.
I love that wine. And then I decided to give you a choice of colored glasses. So if you want your green, blue, or white, or not white, but clear.
Well, since I brought some blue plates over, I guess the blue glasses will be mine.
There you go. And then, of course, here's our cute little plates that I got on my shopping haul.
I know, they look great.
Mm-hmm. And these are the little olive plates. They're actually for you to put your pits in, but these olives are already pitted, so they're really not for that. But you can always just fill your olives up and have it on a separate plate, because you're probably going to have all this stuff on your
yeah, and these are small plates.
Yeah, they're small because you don't want, too much. It's just a snacky snack. So.
Well, this is to eat all day. You can just sit there, visit, take a few bites. We just keep filling up more fruit and more stuff in the refrigerator.
Right. Yeah. And then I have a little bit of jam, because you told me you had a special kind of cheese, and I always like a little
jam on
fruity cheese, so to speak. So there is my side. So was there something else you wanted me to talk about?
I was just going to ask, on that, where you have the wine, is that made out of metal?
Mm-hmm.
Could you have put ice in there to keep that wine chilled?
Yeah, that's the intention, is to put ice in it. Now, whether or not it'll leak, I don't know, because I haven't practiced or haven't tried it.
Well, I did give your brother some ice today. Mm-hmm. Maybe we can take that over to his place and we'll practice over there. And then if it leaks, we can say, "Oh no, it leaked. I'm sorry."
Don't use it.
Do I sound evil?
I just thought it was so pretty when I found it at the thrift store.
And of course, you know what I like best of all.
The butterfly.
The butterfly, but it's not just the butterfly. The fruit looks really good, the little bird, and of course, I love the way it's finished at the bottom. Now, is that, it's green, is that copper?
I think it's supposed to be like a copper, and I love the handles here.
These
are just so pretty, and it's really heavy, so it's not like a little flimsy
cheapy
piece of metal. Yeah, it's really heavy. So
yeah, I think we need to take over to your brother's. We need to get some ice. And we need to practice. We'll practice at his house.
That's why I didn't put ice in it, because I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if it would leak, and I didn't want to have a catastrophe on my counter today.
But I thought it turned out really pretty. It looks really impressive, doesn't it? And of course, my olive branches are right next to it. Doesn't it look pretty together?
Yeah,
beautiful.
Looks really nice.
It's photographing perfect. And of course, my wine is right there. We can see the name so clearly.
She's drooling over it.
Yeah, I'm drooling over it. Well, I guess we're going to go over and check out what Grandma did now. So hang in there, guys. We're going over to what Grandma did.